All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Minister has now issued a statement and has defended his actions. He says this is about humanity. He says he was helping the students who fainted after they ran a 4-kilometer marathon and was only offering them water. He claims it is the DMK that is spreading a fake narrative about the video. Let's go across to Dharni, who's getting us more details. Dharni, this is not the first time that this individual is in the eye of a storm. And this time around, it's about another video that has gone viral, although his clarification is he was only offering help and that this is a narrative against him being peddled by the DMK.
Well, now Minister Vishwanathan has come up with a clarification. He says that many children, they fainted after running the 4-kilometer marathon, which was organized for the birthdays of Chief Minister Vijay and LOP Rahul Gandhi. So as these students fainted, he helped them with first aid and he also offered them water. It was an act done out of humanity is what Minister Vishwanathan is telling. So this is how he is defending his action. He says that some of the students fainted after their 4-kilometer marathon run, and as these students fainted, I helped them, I gave them first aid, and I also offered them some water. This is something that is being done purely out of humanity is what Vishwanathan says. So definitely since today morning, this particular video clip has been going viral on social media, and people from different quarters of Tamil Nadu, including general public, they are raising severe objections to the minister's actions. He was seen touching the feet of 7 to 10-year-old children. All of them are minors, and he is seen touching their feet inappropriately without their consent. And nobody who is surrounding the minister, they are raising any objection to it because he is a minister. Of course, nobody who has come along with him, they'll raise any objection to it. But since this video emerged this morning, people from different parts of Tamil Nadu, they are raising their objections to this on social media platforms, and now he has come
Not
up
just
with
objections, I believe now legal action is also being taken. Dharni, stay on with us.